If your nightmares involve spiders crawling into your mouth, you're in for a surprise. It's just a myth. All right, folks, let's get real. The idea that we swallow 8 spiders a year while snoozing is total nonsense. First off, spiders aren't lining up to take a dive into your mouth. They actually avoid humans like the plague. Think about it. Your mouth is a warm, wet cave that moves and makes noise, not exactly a spider's dream vacation spot. This creepy crawly myth probably started because of our natural fear of spiders. Mix a dash of exaggeration and voila, you have a legend. So sleep tight and don't let the spider myths bite, because they won't. Really, they won't. Got any other myths you want busted? Drop them in the comments. And remember, knowledge is power, and sometimes it's also a good night's sleep.